Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and I'm back with another video. So on your screen, you see two devices, the Onn 4K stick streaming device, and then you see the Onn Full HD streaming devices. In this video, I'm going to look at the Onn Full HD streaming device. I just want to see how it looks when it comes to setting it up. Does it take a long time? The RAM is what, 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, and the 4K is 2 gigs. So you would think that half of RAM wouldn't make a difference. But the device, let me do this. Let me make this larger so y'all can see me. All right. So the device comes with, you know, regular old remote control, as y'all know. Y'all saw that before, right? You got that. And again, I was getting ready to just set it up just to look at it, but I said, why not do a video? Here's the stick right here in my hand, as you see right there. You got the little logo on there, the Onn. All right. The thing about it, it comes micro USB. All right, and it's not Type C. It is micro USB, which is kind of a bummer. It comes with 2 batteries, and also they give you an extender. So what my plan is, I just want to see if it's good. Does that half a gig slow this device down? Does it make it longer? I do want to test that out. And again, this is just a full HD device. And I believe these are going for like $20 at Walmart, but you just never know because they're always changing. They're always changing the price. So I'm gonna get this plugged in. We're gonna get the TV up and going, and we're going to get this started. So let's go ahead and set this up right now. Let me plug the power up, and then let's go for it. Give me a second. All right, here we go right here. Should be getting ready to set up on the screen. I guess let me go and get the screen started. Okay, make this just a little bit smaller. Maybe I'll make this a lot larger. All right, let's go full screen. Okay, so this is how it'll look on your television. So again, typical Google TV. Okay, we're gonna hit English, United States. All right, let's set it up TV instead. I'm gonna choose the Wi-Fi. All right, I choose the Wi-Fi, and then let me get it set up, and then we'll go from there. So make sure if you're following these steps, make sure you do the same thing. Set up your Wi-Fi, and again, let me go back. Again, I'm I'm doing that. I'm setting it up on the TV, but if you want to set yours up, you can, on your phone and your tablet, you can use this right here. Just scan that QR code. You'll be good to go. I'm going to sign mine up right here and start right here. That way, you can go either way. All right. And so if you go the way I go, you is just sign into your network. Okay. So let me go and sign into a network, and we'll get everything going. All right. So I did sign in to my Wi-Fi account, and it's uploading. So I'll probably be doing a lot of pausing and until we get to the official operating system. Again, this device is 1.5 gigabyte, gigabit rather, of RAM, and then 8 gigs of internal storage. Okay, that's pretty much what it is. And while it's doing this update, I will show you that way you can see everything right here. That way you can pause it. Okay. So you see it got Google Cast, Full HD resolution, Dolby Audio, quad core Cortex A35, G31 MP2, 1 gigabyte of RAM, 8 gigabyte of internal storage, Wi-Fi 5, MIMO technology. So you see everything there. And again, come with batteries, HDMI cable, with an adapter rather. And so again, as you see at the bottom, Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi, full HD, and that's how it is. So it's still going through this. Seems like it's gonna take a little time. I'll pause the video, and once we get done with this, we're gonna head proceed to the next step. Give me a second. All right, guys. After about a good 5 minutes, it just reloaded. So we're waiting to see exactly where we're going from here. Because again, this is my first time even setting up this device, on a full HD. Other than what I did like some years ago, maybe about 4 years ago, on the original full HD stick. All right, so we're waiting for it to load up. I'm gonna tell you now, because of Wi-Fi 5, it did take longer than normal. It did take longer than normal. So again, we just waiting to see. I guess that half a gig does make a difference. And I still haven't signed in yet. So you're looking at probably a total of probably up to 30 minutes just to get this bad boy going, which I'm not liking already. I mean, you can just tell it's just taking a long time. Usually it doesn't take this long. So again, I'm gonna just put it on pause, let it go, because already I'm not digging this device. I'm telling you that now for the hustlers, dealers, and go-getters. I don't know, unless you got patience. If you got patience, you'll be all right. But for right now, it's just taking too long. All right, guys. So far, this has been a long time. I'm not digging this device, all because it's just taking so long. When I tell you it's taking a long time, I done, you know, gave my email, password, all of that. And again, let's go. Literally, and it's a good thing I cut out, because I probably would have. It would have been like 3 extra minutes. I'm just say, nurse. I'm just picking anything for right now, because I'm not going to suggest this device. Just look, unless you have patience, I think at minimum 2 gigs to help you out. Okay, I'm not selecting anything. Just confirm it. This has taken a long time. Not now. And let's see how long this takes. This is going to determine if I'm going to continue the review. Because as of right now, I'm not suggesting this device unless you have patience and you get it to somebody you don't care about. I mean, it literally, I'm knocking on at least 20, I'm going to say about at least 16, 17 minutes. I came in, I threw all my little bags, and man, I got so much stuff to review. It is crazy. A lot of this back here. I got boxes galore. I mean, it's just taking a long, 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 long time. And I just want y'all to see this. That way I'm not doing too much editing, but you definitely need to see this. Y'all remember when it would even give you a time saying it'd take like 3 minutes? You notice this not giving you anything. I'm like almost ready to end this video straight up. And again, I want you to see this in real time. That way you know I'm not just dogging the device out. This is how long it's taking. I was thinking like, man, listen, maybe it'll move. It might be a slight bit, slight bit slower, but this device is super slow. When I tell you super slow, super slow. I was thinking like, man, hey, maybe the hustlers, dealers, and go getters can, get away with it. But I'm telling you, nah, this device is not doing it unless you just get this to somebody you really don't care about. Now it's telling me, after all that time, it's telling me I got about 2 minutes remaining. Shit, we've been going about a good minute and a half, going on 2 minutes. But y'all, listen, good thing I didn't record it because this video would probably be about the 17, going on 18-minute mark right now if I just did no stopping. But I think once I get to the user interface, yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video. All right, so it looked like it's saying add and finishing touches. Well, I guess it picked up because I was getting ready, gonna be like I'm cutting it off. I mean, you just see everything is just super, super slow. Look at this. This is terrible. This is terrible. And again, I'm glad y'all seeing this in real time. I advise don't no one get this device. None. Look at this. Y'all don't. I just got my hands in my hoodie. That's it. Look how long it is taking. And I got my mouse right here. Look how long it's taking. I don't know whether to unplug it. I'm definitely not going to do that. But this is a total disaster. Do not get this device. I don't care. You're going to have to find something else, spend a few extra dollars. But I was just hoping maybe the hustlers, dealers, and go getters, they would have had something that would benefit them, but hustlers, dealers, go getters, do not get this device. This is terrible. Like I said, it's too much wasted time and it's taking too long to get the operating system up and going. It's taking too long. As you see, it went to black screen. I don't know whether to hit the home button to see. I guess I could. I guess, right? Let's see. You see, I'm hitting it. I don't know if you see the light. I mean, this is what it have. So, again, do not get this device. This device is a total failure, waste of time. It take too long. Look, we done dealt with some devices that were 1.5 gigabytes, but it didn't take this long. I mean, even the Fire Stick came up. Look at this. It's just not. This is terrible. This is for somebody you don't give two. You just don't care nothing about them. This is terrible. I think this is going to be it. I'm just trying to see if the operating system won't. Look at this crap here. This is this is probably the one of the worst devices ever that I have ever put my hands on. Like, and I done had some messed up devices. Certified. This by far the worst certified. I think even the Fire Stick, um, just the regular Fire Stick, was it the light or was it the HD? It did not take this long. It took it longer than what we're used to. But as you see, this is like a total failure. This is terrible. Do not get the, let me see, because I want to make sure everybody, do not get this device. Do not get the Onn Full HD streaming device. Do not get it. I'm letting you know now. If you get it, you're going to be very, very upset. Look at this. Now the operating system wants to come up. So I think this is going to do it for me. It's not worth it. It definitely not worth it, even going through. And I'm at the 15-minute mark. Knowing without no, like, if I would have just ran this video straight forward without no pause and stopping, I would definitely be at the 26, 27-minute mark just getting to the operating system. This is too long. Do not get this device. Do not get the Onn Full HD streaming device. You have been warned. This is a disaster right here. This is terrible. All right. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, thumbs up the video. I know it was a disaster, but thumbs up the video. That way I know you've been educated. Share this video. Share it throughout y'all social media. That way nobody go and waste their money on this. Also, click that bell icon. That way you get notified anytime I release any content on YouTube. So, again, this is a video on the Onn Full HD streaming device. I should have known when it gave me 1.5 gigs of RAM, also gave me a micro USB. I should have known right from there that this wasn't going to be a good device. But I always try to give a device a chance. So, again, thumbs up the video. Salute to y'all. Y'all be safe out there. This is Superdell, and I'm signing off this bullcrap device. I might even take it back to take it back to Walmart and tell them to give me my $20 back. All right, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.